You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these sweet fried dough. It's a type of crunchy and delicate pastry. Let's break it down. The Italian pronunciation first. Chiacchiere is how it's pronounced. By the way, if you want to learn more Italian cuisine vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. So CH in Italian is K, alright? So chiacchiere, because you have double CH in the middle, means you want to stress on the K sound in the middle. Chiacchiere, alright? That's how the Italians pronounce it. Chiacchiere, alright? Therefore, in English, the pronunciation, how to pronounce it in English, would be chiacchiere, alright? So it's not chiacchiere or chiacchiere, no. Chiacchiere, chiacchiere is how you want to pronounce it, or in Italian, chiacchiere. And now you know it all about the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.